Strawberries are one of the hottest spring crops in the USA. These vibrant fields are bursting with flavor and nutrition. Fresh, juicy, and packed with vitamin C. Demand is rising fast in supermarkets and local markets. Shoppers are stocking up, driving sales higher than ever. At local markets, Fresh Trend shows no signs of slowing down. Strawberry farming is a rewarding venture, but most beginners fail due to poor planning. Proper preparation ensures a bountiful harvest. Farming success starts before planting, not after. It's built in the off-season with hard work on the soil and tools. These preparations are the foundation for a bountiful harvest. Here is a simple, profit-safe beginner strategy. First, start small and safe. Keep your initial investment low, protect your capital. Third, reinvest your profits. This compounds your returns safely.
Never start farming without buyers. Why not? The crops are ready. See these? If no one's buying, they rot. I see. Secure buyers first. Exactly. Plan ahead.
First, talk to grocery stores near you.
Finding everything okay today?
Yes, thanks. These apples look great.
Local stores offer fresh choices and service.
Thank you, dear. Hi there. Do you need fresh strawberries weekly? These are from our farm, picked fresh this morning. They're perfect for snacking or recipes. So, how many would you like?
They use strawberries for cakes and drinks. Fresh strawberries are sliced and folded into the batter. They also make a perfect garnish for refreshing beverages.
Farmers markets are powerful sales points for small farmers like us. We get to sell our fresh strawberries directly to customers. No middleman, so we keep more of the profit. Here, would you like to try some? They look great. They often pay higher prices than wholesale. But with strawberry, you get fresher produce at unbeatable prices. It's simple, smart, and saves you money every time.
Small confirmed orders reduce your risk. See how small orders provide steady growth with low risk, while a single large order can lead to high risk and volatility.
Even just 2 to 5 buyers is enough to start. This small group can launch your market. It's the key to a successful launch. Focus on quality, not just quantity.
Secure demand before planting anything.
Strawberries need full sunlight daily. Good drainage is extremely important. It allows water to flow freely, preventing root rot. This keeps the roots healthy and the plant thriving. Always ensure your soil drains well. Waterlogged soil can destroy crops. Excess water fills the air pockets, suffocating the roots. The crops wilt, unable to absorb oxygen or nutrients. California is a top strawberry region.
These strawberries are perfect this year.
The ideal climate and rich soil yield a bountiful harvest. Florida also produces year-round harvests of strawberries. The warm climate and fertile soil support continuous production. Skilled farm workers harvest the ripe fruit by hand. Climate plays a huge role in success. In strawberries, the right conditions mean thriving plants and sweet rewards. When choosing land for strawberry farming, look for sites near local markets. This reduces transportation costs and ensures your berries reach buyers quickly. The soil should be fertile and loamy, like this. These strawberries were just picked at a local farm. A short trip to market keeps them at their peak. Fruit from far away has a longer journey. Raised beds improve plant health by providing superior drainage. They warm the soil faster, extending the growing season. They also reduce weeds and control to stronger, more productive plants. Raised beds improve plant health by providing superior drainage. They warm the soil faster, extending the growing season. They also reduce weeds and control to stronger, more productive plants.
Small farms work better for beginners. The costs are lower and the risks are smaller. You can learn as you go and build confidence.
For strawberry farming, 0.25 to 1 acre is ideal for beginners. Start by preparing the soil and planting your strawberries in rows. Mulch the beds, and soon you'll be harvesting sweet, ripe fruit.
Even 100 to 200 strawberry plants can generate income. Start by planting them in rows like this. Then, harvest the ripest to farm like this can be profitable.
Bare root or seedlings can be used. Prepare a hole and gently spread the roots. Backfill with soil and firm it around the base. Water thoroughly to settle the soil.
Early spring planting is best timing. The soil is warming, perfect for seeds. Now, cover them gently.
Drip irrigation delivers water directly to plant roots. This precise method saves water, and it saves you money. Drip irrigation, efficient and economical. It also improves fruit quality for strawberry farming.
Look at this yield. More than enough for us.
It eases the pressure. No big debts this year.
Exactly. Small scale, steady income, it's sustainable.
You learn faster with less risk. With virtual simulations, you can practice without losing a single crop. Adjust variables like sunlight and water to see real-time results. Without proper care, scaling only leads to failure. But with patience and the right conditions, success follows.
The berries are perfect.
Scale only after success. Startup costs vary by location. In cities like New York, costs are high. Other locations, like Austin, offer lower costs. Always research costs for your specific location. Land is usually the biggest expense for strawberry farming. Here, a buyer and agent discuss a land purchase, a major investment. The cost of land often dwarfs other expenses like labor and equipment. Plants can cost thousands of dollars per acre for strawberry farming. This highlights the significant investment required in agriculture. Understanding these costs is crucial for farmers. Irrigation systems are essential for strawberry farming. They deliver precise water to the plants, ensuring healthy growth. Without irrigation, plants become dry and stressed.
Soil preparation adds extra cost for strawberry farming. Tilling the beds with a pitchfork loosens the soil, but takes time and effort. Adding organic amendments improves growth. It's an investment in the crop.
First, prepare the soil with a hoe, breaking up the earth. Use a trowel to plant seedlings in well-spaced rows. Install an irrigation system to deliver water consistently. Finally, harvest the ripe strawberries by hand. Fencing protects your crops from animals. Without it, pests can damage your strawberries. A simple fence keeps them safe. This protects your harvest and your profits. Pest control is necessary for a healthy home. Pests like ants and cockroaches spread quickly. Termites silently destroy your home structure. Professional treatment stops them fast. Protect your home today.
For strawberry farming, always keep an emergency budget. It's crucial for protecting against unexpected challenges like crop failures. This ensures your farm remains stable and resilient.
Farming always has surprises. Like this broken fence. Must have been the storm.
What's this? A bird's nest with eggs?
Yep, surprises every day. Strawberry farms can earn strong income. With the right techniques, high yields are possible. Investing in strawberry farming can be very rewarding. Revenue depends on yield and sales method. Yield is the quantity produced, and sales method is how it's sold. This bar chart shows revenue varies by sales method is key. Traditional supply chains involve many steps and intermediaries. Direct-to-customer sales eliminate these, boosting your profits. This approach can increase profit margins by up to 70%, and happier direct sales mean more sales and loyalties. Wholesale gives stable bulk income. Wholesale gives stable bulk income. Wholesale gives stable bulk income. Organic strawberries sell at premium prices. Their freshness and flavor command top dollar in the market. Health-conscious consumers seek out these superior in quality.
Let's pick some berries.
Wow, so many!
These tomatoes look great too. This is the best way to get fresh produce.
You Pick Farms increase customer engagement. Subscription delivery creates repeat income for strawberry farming. Strawberry farming is a thriving business, but the real profit boost comes from value-added products, like fresh jams and gourmet chocolates. This adds significant value. Transforming fresh fruit into jam and preserves significantly increases earnings. Adding value through quality production boosts profits and premium preserves and watch your earnings grow. Smart marketing increases long-term success. Data-driven strategies and targeted campaigns build a strong foundation. This drives sustainable growth and long-term prosperity. Some crops will fail. That is normal. In strawberry farming, even healthy fields like this have setbacks. Wilted plants are a normal part of the process. It's all part of growing strawberries.
Every season improves your skills. Every season improves your skills. Every season improves your skills.
Start small with your strawberry seeds. Watch them grow, step by step. Patience brings a sweet reward. The same applies to your goals. Always secure buyers first. This is the cornerstone of successful deals. Without this step, you risk complications. So prioritize securing buyers up front.
Success comes from planning and patience.
With careful planning and patient care, this sapling will thrive.